Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install leveling kit on a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. Pretty sure it works for 2009 to 2017, 2018. Pretty sure they're all the same. So obviously you're going to take the wheel off. It's 22 millimeter lug nuts, 5 of them. And once you get the wheel off, come over here. You got the strut bolt, which is a 24, and on the other side it's a 22, just in case it starts spinning, so you can hold it. Once you get that out, you got an 18 millimeter nut for the sway bar link. Unscrew that. Has a little support right there to hold. I believe it's an 8 millimeter, just in case you need to hold that, start spinning. And then over here, you got the control arm / alignment bolts. You got 2 of them. They're both sides are 24, so there's the nut on that side, that's the bolt. I already did my other side, so the way I did it is I loosened the control arm bolts, took them out completely, unscrewed the sway bar link, unscrewed the strut down here, and then up here you have three 15 millimeter nuts. Unscrew that, control arm will drop down, you'll be able to slide the shock out and start bolting up the leveling kit spacer. I went with the Supreme 3.5 spacer. Comes with hardware and everything, and in the back I am doing 1.5, but I was gonna see how it looks first with just the 3.5 in the front, so I'll do a review after, and I'll show you once the shock is out how the spacer goes and everything. And it's just vice versa on the way back. On the other side, I did run into a little bit of issue sliding the control arm back in, because as I was lifting, as a spacer obviously it's kind of pushing the whole knee out this way. So what I just did, have this little come along, not exactly sure the name of it, but pretty much I just strapped it to here and to this bolt, the lower ball joint, and just kind of pulled it in while lifting the whole spindle with the jack, and it worked out pretty good. Went in pretty easy, didn't have to struggle too much. So just a couple pointers. All right guys, when you get the shock out, you can go ahead and start putting on the leveling kit spacer for the front. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just slides onto the studs. Supreme, they give you hardware to go with it. This bolts it back to the vehicle, and these nuts are supposed to bolt the spacer to the strut, but they seem to me kind of cheap, so I just reused the OEM ones. They seem fine, they're not stripped or anything. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just line it up, goes right on. Stand it up, you can see, drop the nuts in there, tighten it down, and then reinstall, just vice versa, all the steps back. And I'll show you how it looks when it's all done.